The Iberian lynx, a symbol of conservation in the modern world. The Iberian lynx, native to the Iberian Peninsula, is one of the most emblematic species in Europe and serves as a crucial symbol of wildlife conservation efforts. Known scientifically as Lynx pardinus, it is a symbol of the ongoing struggle against the extinction of species. Its plight and the efforts to save it offer insight into modern conservation methodologies and the role of human intervention in preserving biodiversity. Description and habitat. The Iberian lynx is characterized by its medium size, tufted ears, and spotted coat, distinguishing it from the more widespread Eurasian lynx. It typically resides in the scrublands of the Iberian Peninsula, particularly favoring areas populated by rabbits, its primary prey. Its range is a mosaic of forests and open grasslands, allowing it to harness its specialized hunting skills to navigate and dominate its environment. Conservation status. The precarious position of the Iberian lynx in the ecosystem has made it one of the most endangered cat species globally. It faced near extinction at the turn of the century, with the population plummeting to fewer than 100 individuals in the wild. Habitat fragmentation, a decrease in rabbit population due to disease, and human encroachment have significantly imperiled its existence. Conservation efforts and challenges. Conservation strategies for the Iberian lynx have been multifaceted, focusing on habitat restoration, population monitoring, and public awareness. The European Union and various conservation organizations have poured resources into the recovery of this species, initiating breeding programs to augment the lynx population. These programs have been somewhat successful, resulting in a gradual increase in their numbers in the wild. One of the challenges of conserving the Iberian lynx is the intricate balance that must be maintained within its ecosystem. The lynx's reliance on rabbits as a primary food source necessitates the concurrent preservation and management of rabbit populations. Any disturbance in the rabbit population directly impacts the lynx, underscoring the importance of a holistic approach to conservation that considers the entire ecosystem. Climate change poses another substantial challenge. The alteration in weather patterns and habitat conditions impacts the availability of food and the suitability of environments for both the lynx and its prey. Addressing the broader impacts of climate change is crucial to ensuring the long-term survival of species like the Iberian lynx. Moreover, human activities continue to threaten the lynx's habitat. Urbanization, infrastructure development, and agricultural expansion lead to habitat fragmentation and loss. Public awareness and community engagement are vital in mitigating these impacts and fostering coexistence between humans and lynxes. The importance of biodiversity. The Iberian lynx serves as a poignant reminder of the intricate web of life on Earth and the importance of preserving biodiversity. The lynx plays a critical role in maintaining ecological balance within its habitat, controlling rabbit populations, and subsequently influencing vegetation dynamics. Its loss would disrupt these ecological processes and lead to unforeseen consequences, possibly affecting other species and the ecosystem as a whole. Biodiversity contributes to ecosystem services such as pollination, water purification, and climate regulation. The loss of any species, therefore, diminishes the effectiveness and resilience of ecosystems, making them more susceptible to environmental changes. A symbol of hope. The ongoing conservation efforts and the modest recovery of the Iberian lynx population signify hope in the potential success of intensive conservation strategies. The collaborative endeavors of governments, non-governmental organizations, scientists, and local communities highlight the collective responsibility and capability to address biodiversity loss. However, the story of the Iberian lynx is far from complete. Continued efforts are essential to ensure the stable recovery and sustained conservation of the species. Research, monitoring, habitat management, and public engagement should be intensified to address emerging threats and to adapt conservation strategies to changing environmental conditions. Conclusion. The Iberian lynx stands as a living symbol of the struggle against biodiversity loss in the modern era. Its battle for survival illustrates the vulnerabilities of specialized species in fragmented habitats and the cascading effects of human activities and environmental changes on biodiversity. The efforts to conserve the Iberian lynx demonstrate the power of collaborative, multifaceted conservation strategies in reversing the decline of endangered species. The modest success achieved thus far offers a glimmer of hope, but it also emphasizes the need for sustained, long-term efforts and global cooperation to preserve biodiversity and maintain ecological balance. In a broader context, the plight of the Iberian lynx is a stark reminder of the intricate interdependencies within ecosystems and the profound impacts of human activities on the natural world. It underscores the urgency of global conservation efforts and the imperative to foster a harmonious relationship between humans and the myriad other species that share this planet. In conclusion, the Iberian lynx's journey from the brink of extinction towards recovery embodies the challenges and opportunities in contemporary conservation. It serves as a catalyst for reflection on human stewardship of the environment and the moral and ecological imperatives to preserve the rich tapestry of life on Earth.